Marine industry has become a business unit just in recent years, but we started our R&D developments already in 2000 by our lab service team. We penetrated the market in 2014 with 4 contracts. After successful execution of these projects, we today have 19 ships under execution. On the foundation of our strong Deep Blue Lab trademark, we have organically grown our business unit with project managers, engineers and marine specialists. These allow us today to answer quickly to the market's demands and the customers' needs.
Exhaust gas cleaning industry become a very important market since 2015 regulation is enforced. We are talking about 5,000 ships to be converted, corresponding to approximately 15 billion euro worldwide market. We have developed innovative solutions able to catch the sulfur from the heavy fuel oils of the engines by scrubbing the exhaust gas with seawater. We have expanded our portfolio recently with the DINOX technology. So at the moment we are able to provide a complete solution for the shipping industry. Our R&D is still very active and already working on our future technology. As a competitive solution, LAB is the only company on the market able to provide GRP solution, which is 100% corrosion free.
The marine scrubber projects are very challenging because we have a lot of ships to equip before the application of the new regulation in 2020, and we have a very short schedule to realize the project. Of course, we have to adapt each of our equipment to the ship. It is complicated to integrate all this equipment inside the ships because there is a lot of constraint in the layout. Our typical installation for open loop is including, of course, scrubbers, pumps, valves and analyzer. And in case of closed loop, the system is more complex and we use a process tank, injection and dosing of reagent and wastewater treatment. The super austenitic stainless steel is a very rare material and we use it for our inline scrubbers, so we have to procure them months in advance. We supply scrubbers in shipyard worldwide, and the critical point is to have a full delivery of our equipment in time with the dry dock, because dry dock are booked months in advance and we cannot change the end date.
Due to new regulations, there will be a huge market in the next 5 years through all the world. In addition, our current clients operating hundreds of ships, which gives labs interesting opportunities. We're already today offering new products for the marine industry. For example, we're just opening a new office focusing on DINOX solutions. In addition, we are providing financial packages to clients who need it. Lab today is a recognized key supplier in the marine industry, and we are on the best way to be in the top list.